Hello fitness fans, welcome to Skyward Strength. Today, we're going to dive into the world of pull-ups and find out what would happen if you did them every single day. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our amazing content. Let's get started. Pull-ups are an incredibly effective upper body exercise that targets a variety of muscles, including your lats, biceps, traps, and even your core. Here are some of the benefits you can expect from doing pull-ups every day. Improved upper body strength. Pull-ups are a fantastic way to build strength in your back, shoulders, and arms. Enhanced grip strength. As you grip the pull-up bar tightly, you're also improving your grip strength, which can be helpful in various aspects of daily life. Better posture. Pull-ups can help correct poor posture by strengthening your back muscles. Increased functional fitness. Since pull-ups are a compound exercise, they help improve your overall body coordination and stability. So, what can you expect when you commit to doing pull-ups every day? Here are a few key points. Initial progress. When you first start, you'll likely see quick improvements in your pull-up numbers as your body adapts to the new challenge. Plateaus. Like any exercise, you may hit plateaus in your progress. Don't get discouraged. Instead, focus on varying your grip, changing your rep schemes, and incorporating other exercises to help break through those plateaus. Potential for overtraining. Doing pull-ups daily can put a lot of strain on your muscles, joints, and tendons. Make sure you listen to your body and incorporate rest days if needed to avoid injury. Here are a few tips to help you safely incorporate daily pull-ups into your routine. Warm up properly. Start with some dynamic stretches and lighter exercises like scapular pull-ups to ensure your muscles are ready for the challenge. Progress gradually. If you're new to pull-ups, don't jump into doing high volumes every day. Instead, start with a manageable number and gradually increase your reps and sets as you get stronger. Listen to your body. If you experience pain, discomfort, or excessive fatigue, it may be a sign that you need to rest. Don't hesitate to take a day off or reduce your pull-up volume if necessary. Mix it up. To prevent boredom and overuse injuries, experiment with different grip styles, rep ranges, and even assisted pull-ups to keep things fresh and fun. So there you have it, fitness fans. Incorporating daily pull-ups into your routine can lead to significant improvements in your upper body strength, posture, and functional fitness. However, it's essential to approach this challenge safely and listen to your body to avoid overtraining and injury. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing fitness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.